Okay. So we're going to talk about a common problem that we're seeing a lot of. I won't say everybody, but a lot of people do, and that is opening up too soon on the clean, the snatch, and not utilizing a proper hip and back angle, even on the pulls or on the deadlift, and even subsequently the halting movement or rack pull. Okay, so an easy thing to do and to work on is understanding what the knees do off the floor. Okay, so we've got Chase here, and what I'm going to have Chase do is get set up for a clean, because this is one of the easiest things you can do to help with someone opening up. And that is, Chase is going to get squeezed up. I'm not going to have him clean it all the way, but what I'm going to have him do is I'm going to have him push his knees back as he stands up with the bar. And he's going to pause at the knee, okay? So go ahead and squeeze up and push and stop. He's stopped right on the kneecap, okay? Notice the shoulders are still over the bar. They're actually a little bit in front of the bar, but the back, beautifully set. He's in a really good position. Now, if he goes on and cleans from here, there we go. Now set it back down. And I'm going to have him do this again. This time I'm not going to make him pause as long, but he's going to do the same exact thing. And I want you to notice the back angle, where he's hitting, and then how he's actually landing, okay? Pause, go. Good. A really cool thing with this that you guys will notice if you're training on your own or if you're coaching somebody is you're going to notice when you pause at the knee where your balance is. If you're pulling this bar and you're used to opening up early, you're going to notice that you're probably on your toes. This gives you an opportunity to shift back to midfoot and then continue your pull. Do this a couple times, and it should iron out some of the inconsistencies with your clean or even with any of your pulls. This does, like I said, this works with snatch, it works with clean, and it teaches you also how to do a good halting as well as the start of a rack pull as well. Because rack pull, you're going to stay over the bar longer as well. Also, another thing to add to that is with the Olympic lifts in particular, it's not going to go up every single day. So you're going to have days that you're going to feel off and you're going to get pissed off and you're going to just try to throw more weight on there and accelerate. Don't. Slow it down. This is a very, very good way to get a whole bunch of damn work in, and good work at that with lighter weight. We want always to have good reps, not a bunch of shit reps just because you want to add a bunch of damn weight, okay? So the days you're feeling off, you didn't get enough sleep, whatever it may be, slow it down, do this so that you can practice good reps throughout the thing. And again, you don't have to pause there very long. It just needs to be enough to get you balanced, reset, and then continue on with the rest of the lift.